Greetings, we're here with the head coach of the Reggae Girls, Coach Lorne Donaldson. First of all, Coach, how does it feel to be at an event like this one?
I think it's good for Jamaica to be a part of this. I think it, hopefully it opens our eyes to see what a big global event the World Cup is, and get more people interested in what's going on in the World Cup, because I think, as they say, the opening game is going to be it's going to be, most of the stadium are sold out. So hopefully Jamaica public can now be a part of it, and I think having the World Cup here, okay, people will see how prestigious that World Cup is.
All right, we see what the boys have managed to do with the World Cup stage. What do you expect from the girls, and what opportunity do the girls have right now to impact the country, Jamaica as a whole?
I don't know about the boys, because you're talking about something 20 odd years ago.
That's true.
I'm not going back to that. I'm just dealing with the girls. This is about the girls. Obviously we're gonna go there and we're gonna give it all. We're gonna try to put the best team we can put out, and wherever we finish, that's just it. But one thing we know, we're gonna show up and we're gonna play hard and give it our best.
All right, Coach, we have one of the best strikers in the world, and I'm talking about football across the board, Khadija Bonishaw. What does she mean to this team, and her importance, her impact on the girls? Whether it be more experience or less experience than herself?
Well, she's a global person right now, and she's doing well. Hopefully she can keep her form going into the World Cup, because a lot of stuff we do, is going to go through Bonnie, So, but obviously injury is also a big part of the game, and hopefully we're healthy. But again, she's one of the top global female player right now. She's the all-time leading scorer, men or women, in Jamaica. I don't think a lot of people know that. So hopefully, again, now the country can embrace the team and embrace good players like Bonnie Shaw and the rest of the players, and we can move along.
All right, Coach, finally, any expectations on this World Cup? We have Brazil, we have France. Are there any expectations going in?
Yeah, only expectation we have, we fear no one.
There you have it from the coach himself, Lorne Donaldson. Thank you for talking to us.
All right.
Thank you, Coach.